Hello student, I am Nilesh Chauhan and I am recording this video for the CRD analysis of your research project data. Okay, for that CRD analysis there is a software which is available on the ICAR Goa side, and here I am going to provide you a good demo of that particular software. Now what we have to do, we have to go in Google window and we have to type ICAR Goa. Now when we type ICAR Goa, you will have this window. Now here we have to go for WASP, WASP. Click on the WASP. Now it will open a new window. We are all going to select the WASP 1. When we select WASP 1, the package or agree status of ICAR is open. Now we have, based on our experimental design, we have to select which experimental design we are going to final. If it is CRD, randomized block, Latin square, factorial, split plot, strip plot. Now there is a completely randomized design, CRD. Okay. Now we have to click on the CRD. Now when we click on the CRD, it will open a number of treatments. Suppose we have 10 number of treatments, so we have to add. Consider that you should include control also within your treatment. Okay, then we enter, click. Now generally we have 3 replications for each treatment, so we are going to add 3 in each, in front of every treatment. Now once we have added the number of replications, click here to enter your data. Now we have to enter our data. Now before entering our data, there is a name of experimental or variable. Suppose we have whatever the data you have to get, just like if we have to let plant height. Okay, we add it in plant height. Now in each replication you have to add a data. Now if treatment 1, if it has 1. Okay, so this way we are going to add our data in this all 30 provided brackets. Now again we are adding. So for your each treatment you have 3 replications. You have to add data in that particular software. See, I am adding this data. Okay, it's really easy. There is nothing hard. Even you can add a data which is in point format. Okay, there is no issue, but you just have to keep adding whatever is the best. Okay, whatever you have to, what data you have. Now generally we use no transformation for the data which does not have any zeros. Okay, now what we have to add, click here to view the result. Now when we click, there is automatically it displays the CD at 1% and CD at 0.5%. Okay, here is the average. So CD at 1% is used for the laboratory experiment and CD as 5% for the field experiment. So you directly got your CD, and from analyzing that CD you can devise which is superior treatment and which is inferior treatment. So here they also gave that the T7 is the best treatment, whereas if the difference between two treatment means average is less than CD, then these two treatments are at par with each other. Remember that, then these two treatments are at par with each other. If the difference is more than CD, then those treatments are one treatment is significantly superior than the other. This way we can get the data and your CD value. From CD there is also a standard error. There is a mention of coefficient of variance, and from CD COV we can calculate the standard error. Okay, so thank you very much.